Learning a language under the COVID-19. Under the pandemic era, online classes have been more and more popular now. Instead of face-to-face tutoring, online classes have advantages and disadvantages. Today we are going to discuss what they are, and how to make an online class successful. Benefits of Mandarin online classes. 1. Using the online course live broadcast, learners will not have too much learning pressure, easy learning, entertaining learning. This is because of the diversified forms of live broadcast of online courses. Game teaching, entertainment teaching, and rich visual and auditory artistic experience make students truly relaxed and attractive in knowledge learning. 2. Instead of the old traditions of the 19th and 20th centuries of being teacher-centered, textbook-centered, and classroom-centered, it is student-centered and abiding by the people-oriented educational philosophy. 3. Break through the limitations of time and space. People-to-people communication is not restricted by the physical characteristics of space, and learning time does not have to be restricted by commuting, or day and night. 4. The important significance of online courses lies in the universality and equality of education. The monitoring efforts are fair. There is no distinction between front row and back row in class. The teacher treats each student equally, and the audio-visual effects are also equal. 5. Good interactive operation. It makes the communication between teachers and students feel like the world is close to each other, and students can consult first-class experts, scholars or teachers in their majors online at any time. The video phone is like face-to-face communication. 6. Mandarin teacher control methods and methods are more scientific. Teachers play a role in helping and facilitating learners. The control methods are weakened, aiming to give full play to the subjectivity of the students. Teachers can apply more methods to control teaching. And because teachers and students are incompatible with each other, this kind of control is relatively hidden and subtle. Disadvantages of online Mandarin classes. 1. Learning Mandarin is not easy. Students learning in the context of the internet, due to increased autonomy, tend to subconsciously only pay attention to their own psychological sequence in the learning process, and ignore the logical sequence of the subject itself. 2. It is not conducive to the emotional communication between teachers and students. 3. Students' thinking is easily interrupted. Point 4. Teachers are still not at ease, not accustomed to autonomous learning of students, always worried about can students grasp the key point, can they understand this question, etc., and dare not boldly let students acquire knowledge independently. Independent exchanges and discussions, independent exploration of research answers. Therefore, teachers often use traditional ideas to intervene in students' learning in Mandarin classes. 5. Some online courses are often not guided by teachers and rely 100% on students for self-study. Without proper guidance from teachers, students may be more likely to fail or fail to learn. Precautions for online lessons. 1. Prepare textbooks in advance. Yes, you must prepare the corresponding textbooks before listening to the online class. This will not only help us better clarify the context of the article, but it will also be more convenient for us to find forgotten knowledge points. 2. Notebooks and other auxiliary tools are ready. Different types of courses require different things, but it is necessary to prepare a notebook before class. It is convenient for us to jot down the key points the teacher said. It is also helpful to sort out the course structure and context after class. 3. Ask questions in a timely manner. The online class is actually a class, but the format is different. Therefore, when listening to the teacher's lecture, you should ask questions in time. If you don't understand it, or write it down in the draft, a short note. When the teacher asks you if you don't understand anything, you should raise it. 4. Don't play with mobile phones. It is recommended to use a computer for online lessons, and the mobile phone is muted. On the one hand, it helps us to concentrate on listening, and on the other hand, it also helps us not to be disturbed by other things. Better absorb the knowledge points taught by the teacher. 5. Be careful when choosing an environment. Don't listen to online lessons in noisy places, which may be easily distracted. 6. Pre-study before class. Pre-study before class helps us to better grasp the knowledge points. Pre-study is actually self-study. You can mark out what you don't understand during self-study and bring it up when the teacher talks about it.